Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my tutorial, breakdance tutorial. So this is me, Beway Chicken Roast, representing TLBC. And now in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you based on my last tutorial about the footwork tips. So number one is heel should never touch the floor. Why? No problem, I'm going to explain it now. So why? Okay, for example, we are doing a 6-step. So 6-step. So we need to use our feet for the speed and the control. Okay. So look speed when you use the feet, and if you use the heel, then it's make your speed slower down than before. Okay. So using a heel, look, your body feel heavy. Okay, so whenever you do a footwork, you must use your feet. Okay, so in other ways, you can use a heel for creativity. It's like you want to make a transition or look a bit dynamic, then you can use a heel. So it's, for example, after doing a 6-step, you want to jump into the another move, so you can use heel. Okay, it's like you want to transition between footwork and top rock, so you can use a heel. It's like a 6-step. So guys, that is for my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I hope you learned something from the number one, heel should never touch the floor, footwork tips. Okay, if you haven't checked out my previous tutorial, then please link in the description, so you can check out my previous tutorials, and you can go to my channel and you can have a look some videos about my tutorial, top rock, footwork, and some power move. So if you have some comment, then please comment below. If you like my video, then please thumbs up, and if you like my video and if you want to share, then please just share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos, and please hit the bell button. I'll see you on next Tuesday with the number 2 footwork tutorial tips. Okay, peace. Your chicken rolls.